everyone, it's Maureen. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome. So today we are going to be unboxing the Apple Smart Folio for iPad Pro 11-inch 2020, and also the unboxing of the Insignia screen protector that I bought at Best Buy through curbside pickup. Always, it's so convenient. I actually researched about this before I bought it. I went to YouTube, searched for videos who bought this, but I didn't really see anyone that kind of thoroughly did a review of the pink sand. And it's kind of surprising because iPad has been out for a few weeks already. I'm actually wearing pink sand for iPhone 11 Pro Max. I love it. It's kind of washed out right here on the camera, but it's really pretty in real life. There's a pinkish tone. I am wearing it because I wanted to like kind of compare it with the Smart Folio pink sand. So ever since I unboxed this iPad right here, I haven't put any case yet, and I haven't put any screen protector on it too. So I was just using my stand right here. If you guys want to check out this stand, this is from Lamico. I will put the link down in the description box. I've had this for 2 years and I've been using it for my little iPad. This is really nice because you can charge your iPhone, your iPad, and also you can put your earpods right here and your Apple Pencil. Without further ado, here is my unboxing of the Apple Smart Folio for iPad Pro 11-inch 2020 and installing the screen protector on my iPad. So we have the screen protector here and the case. I bought the screen protector at Best Buy, and the case I ordered it online. If you want to check these items, I'll put the link down in the description box so it's easier for you to locate it. So we're gonna unbox the screen protector first. This is again the Insignia screen protector for new iPad Pro 11-inch, but it says 2018, but it will fit on 2020. Then we got a wet wipes and a dry wipes here, and then also a instructions on how to install it. I got my own cleaning kit right here, so we're gonna use this instead. We'll just spray this in here, then wipe it. Remove the adhesive back from the screen protector. Oh! Oh God. Can't hold it. I see a debris again here. Okay, let's do this. I'm struggling. Yes, no bubbles. Yahoo! So we already have installed our screen protector on our iPad, so I'm ready to unbox our Smart Folio. I'm excited! Oh! Oh my god! It's so pretty! Guys! Oh my god, I'm so excited! Okay. That's the color, guys. There's an iPad Pro Smart Folio in there written. There's a iPad Smart Folio written in here too. And then below it says of what kind of iPads you can use with this Smart Folio. And on this side also you can find the color of the Smart Folio. And it says right here somewhere that it's pink sand. Here is the tab where we can open it. So let's do it. Oh, you have to just peel this right here. I already see it. Oh, there's dirt. That's weird. And here you go. Very nice packaging. Wow. There is like a cardboard right here to form it. Let's put this away. So let me get you closer. Natural lighting, guys. It feels soft. It feels silicone-y, but it's not. The back has a Apple logo right here. The color is so adorable, guys. I'm loving it. I'm so glad I bought this instead of the black. There. So if you really want to get this pink sand, you should. Pretty. And then there's the camera side, and the inside is super soft. Like velvety feel. So when you lay your iPad there, it'll be laying in a very nice, like comfy, decent bed for my iPad. It says right here, designed by Apple California, and the rest I cannot understand it. Yeah, right there. Look at that. So the long-awaited moments of this video is to put the iPad on our very nice Smart Folio. So let's do that. There's 3 dots right here as a magnet, I'm sure. So there might be a magnet here too in this area of the Smart Folio. So let's see. I'm scared. Wow! So it's not dropping it. Oh my god, I love it. So let's focus you here. It's a camera. There's the side, or I mean the top where the speakers are. There. The top, I think I already showed you the top. Right there, and then at the back, it's just gonna close this. It's uncovered again. This is the charging area of the iPad. So yeah, this is the front and this is the back. The Apple logo, and that's it. Pretty! This is the iPhone 11 Pro Max smart battery case. So let's see if it looks the same. Yes, it is. I love it. I love the color. I love it so much. Paired with my smart battery case, it's so pretty. I'm loving the pink sand, guys. I have not tried opening it yet. Oh, I turned it off. Oh, I'm so happy I have the screen protector in there. It's easier to clean. So when you open just a little bit of that, it will turn on the screen. This retails for 79 bucks, I guess. I will put the price right around here and I will link it down in the description box. I hope you have seen what I see in here. It's really pretty, guys. You should get it. Get it. And I'm satisfied. Again, I was thinking about getting the black one. I just like the black one because it will not get dirty. I think that is it for today, guys. I hope this video helped you in deciding if you want to get this Smart Folio pink sand from Apple. I really enjoyed making this video. I hope you well and stay healthy. We'll get through this. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day and night, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!